Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look. It's just a very soft, pinkish kind of look, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's a bit of a new style, so give me your feedback down below, and let's get on to it. I already have my foundation on, and now I'm just clipping my hair back so it doesn't get in the way later on. I'm going to use a thin crease brush. I'm using the shade Coast from the Profusion Wanderlust palette and brushing it through my crease and creating a thin layer of the color. I'm now using a fluffy brush to use the shade Tranquil through my brow bone and blending out that previous color. Now I'm using the shade Statement to kind of deepen everything up and add a lot more definition to my crease. This will help give my eyes a little bit of a deeper, larger look. Using the shade Go Girl from the palette, I'm going to place that on the inner and outer corner of my eye, kind of adding a flush of pink to everything, and I'm going to blend that out as well. I'm now using the shade Chill and placing that in the middle of my eyelid, giving it a bit of sparkle but still staying with the same color theme that I've been using. Using Chill again, I'm using a brush now to kind of place that on my lower eyelid and give myself an idea of where I'm going to be highlighting and whatnot later on. I'm going in with Illusion on the inner corner of my eye to brighten everything up a bit more. I'm using the shade Go Girl again and putting that on my lower eyelid in the same spots that I did on the upper eyelid, but I'm definitely dusting it out a lot more and making it a lot lighter. Using Chill once again, I'm re-highlighting my lower eyelid and adding that definition back to the middle of it. I'm using the black eyeshadow from this trio as my eyeliner. I prefer black eyeshadow over an actual eyeliner. It's a lot cleaner and easier to use and harder to mess up with. Also adding little fake eyelashes to the outer corner of my lower eyelid because I just think it looks really nice, especially with mascara on later on. Using this mascara from Wet n Wild, I'm going to be applying a thick coat to my upper and lower eyelashes, though it doesn't really take a lot to get a really nice effect with this one. Using the shade Coast again, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows in a very straight and natural sort of look. I'm just going for something that doesn't emphasize them too much, but also frames the eyes well. I'm going for a fairly generous dusting of the Too Faced Sweethearts Blush in Sparkling Bellini and putting out that on my cheeks and the tip of my nose for a nice flushed look. I'm using the light shimmery shade from this eyeshadow trio as my highlight. I find it works very well and is very reflective, especially if you apply it with the finger very generously. I'm now applying this light pink shimmery lipstick in my natural lip shape, not emphasizing any part of my lips too much. Top that off with a reddish pink lip gloss and put that mostly in the center of my lips and spreading it around a bit. that was the tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe and please like and comment down below. I loved hearing you guys' feedback as well, so let me know what you think of this new style of video. If you liked it, like I said, let me know. And of course I'm going to be filming more tutorials in the future. I'm not entirely done with them yet, just because I've been posting a lot of cosplay videos, so please be sure to stay updated. And I post every Wednesday and Saturday, so stay tuned for the next video. It may be a cosplay video, maybe behind the scenes, maybe a makeup tutorial. Who knows? So that's all.